Hello everyone. Well, I'm always fascinated about the vending machine here in Japan because you can see a vending machine everywhere, every corner here in Japan. So let's see. I'm going to drink something and you'll never be thirsty here in Japan because of the vending machine. So it's very easy. Let's do it. So then I like this one actually. It's hot chocolate. Let's try it. Yes, yes, yes. It's very cold, so we need a warm drink. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. It's 130 yen. Yeah. Okay, we can choose. With the light one. This one. See? Already here. See? Very easy. See? Got it. It's a hot chocolate. Yes. So let's drink it. Yep. Tastes good. Sarap. Hot chocolate. So yeah, that's all for this video. Simple video. Check out my channel for more videos here in Japan. And don't forget to subscribe. Ay, ang ganda ng araw. Sunlight. It's beautiful. Feels so healthy. I need the sunlight actually. And they also have a vending machine for cigarettes. Oh, diba? Bongga. Yes, from drinks to cigarette, well, everything here in Japan. There's a lot of different types of vending machine here in Japan. So yes, here's more vending machine for drinks. Anyway, thank you for watching this vlog and please like this video and also check out my other videos here and playlist. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. See you again to my next vlog. And another one.